Welcome to my space. This is Sweet Meals for 5 with Irene Kanyolo. Hope you guys are well. So our today's recipe will be doing green crumbs and rice. So what I'm going to do today, I'll be showing you guys on how I prepare rice served with green crumb stew. Without wasting time, guys, welcome to my kitchen and let's get to see the ingredients we are having for today's recipe. So these are ingredients. Over here I have rice, green crumbs. So guys, I also have other ingredients I will be using, like tomatoes, green pepper, onions, coriander or dhania, and carrots. So then we'll start by washing our green crumbs. The next thing is boiling our green crumbs. So I'm going to put them in this tin. So guys, the next thing I'm going to add is water. Then I put them to boil. So guys, as green crumbs boils, I also boil rice. As you can see, I've already put water for rice to boil. So guys, as rice and green crumbs boils, I'll be preparing these ingredients over here. It's red now, we can add our rice. So I'll add salt and cooking oil. After you add, you stir. You stir and then you let it boil. So guys, as the rice boils, I will be cutting these ingredients over here. So let's do this, guys. let me go check on the rice. We see how far it is. Wow, rice is ready. So we wait for the green grams to get ready, then I'll show you the next thing to do. So guys, as you can see over here, our ingredients are ready, and these ingredients, they are the ones we use to prepare our stew. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. We start by frying onions. So guys, our green grams are ready. As you can see, zimeiva kabisa. So for you to get a better result, unafaa uzipike ziive hivi. Unaona venye zimebodeka kabisa. Yeah, so let's fry them. We make stew. Yeah, with them. So let's do this. So our onions is there, it's frying. Yeah, let's wait for it to fry, then we'll add the other ingredients. So stay cool. I'll be showing you everything on how we are preparing the stew. Stay cool. Stay calm. Karibu kitunguu yetu iungue. Bado. So you cook until your onions turn golden brown. Okay. So when your onions is ready, now you can add your tomatoes. Cover up. So when your tomatoes are ready, you can add another ingredient you have. For me, I add my green pepper. I'll also add carrots. Then after you add your ingredients, you cover. So guys, when it comes to the spices, you can add the spices of your choice. Like for me, I will just add this beef cubes and some salt. Yes. Now after you add, you stir. So the next thing to add is our green grams. So let me add them. After you add, make sure you stir. look at how yummy it is. Now our stew is ready. We can serve. Guys, sorry, I had forgotten to sign out. My director ndo ananipata, nilikuwa nishaanza kukula, but poleni. Hii food, guys, hii chakula huwezi goje ifike kwa dining table. Kwambia ni tamu. But guys, do you know what? Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, watch and share. Bye bye for now. Let me enjoy my meal. See you in the next video.